The intrinsic world of the human immune system, a microscopic hero called the B-Lymphocyte stood guard, ready to protect the body from invaders. Imagine you're walking through a crowded city. Germs are like unwanted troublemakers trying to sneak in through every corner. Now, B lymphocytes are a type of white blood cell patrolling the bloodstream like highly trained security guards. Produced in the bone marrow, these cells are specialists in identifying and neutralizing harmful pathogens like bacteria and viruses. Now, when a germ invades, B lymphocytes spring into action, transforming into plasma cells that produce Y-shaped proteins called antibodies. Now, these antibodies lock onto the intruders, marking them for destruction and ensuring the immune system clears them away. Now, without the B lymphocytes, our immune defenses would lack one of their most powerful tools to fight diseases. But that's not all. B lymphocytes are also memory keepers of the immune system. Now, let's say you catch a virus once, like chickenpox. After the battle is won, some B lymphocytes turn into memory B cells, which stay quietly in the body, like highly experienced veterans waiting for the next attack. Now, if the same virus tries to invade again, these memory cells recognize it instantly and launch a rapid immune response, often stopping the infection before it can cause any harm. Now, this is how vaccines work. They train B lymphocytes to recognize specific pathogens without you getting sick. So, the next time you recover from an illness or get vaccinated, remember the tiny, hardworking B lymphocytes are there, ensuring you stay healthy and ready for whatever microscopic enemies come your way. Question time. B cells may need assistance from what cell? Here's the answer. T helper cells. The key word to remember, T helper. Now it's time to fill in the blank. Blank cells. Go ahead and put your answer in the comment section below. Here is a slide from my interactive slides that are available in my membership area. The link is in the description box. Here's the question. B cells may need assistance from what cell? Then you would click on the correct answer. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for participating in this video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more microbiology retention videos. Check out my new fun microbiology escape room game. The link is also in the description box. And guess what? I'll see you in the next video.